I invite you to watch my video about the illuminated mast in Valskog that works like a flashing clock. It's almost 7 p.m. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's 7 p.m. now. It's almost 8 p.m. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right now it's 8 p.m. It's almost 9 p.m. now. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Right now it's 9 p.m. If you like my mast, like my video and subscribe.